Hey, it's Matteo from Flyability, and today we're in a Swiss nuclear power plant, seeing how the Elios 3 rad is being used for inspections. You'll be able to hear from the people at the plant. However, we will not be able to show their faces and names for security reasons, but you'll be able to see what they have to say while looking at a few shots of the Elios flying.
I work in a nuclear power plant in Switzerland. We are a pressure reactor. Elios 3 is for us an eye to go in an area it's unable to go with human laborers, with workers, in special the red versions. You are independent. With a robotic, as a classic robotic, you are only able to save collected or to have data around 1.5 and 2 meters because the robot have limitations. With the drone, you are in the air. You can up to 10, 50, 20, 150 meters on the chimney. With the rad payload, we are able to have dosimetry data. Traditionally, it's very simple. You must build up a scaffolder and you need more time. When you have an inspections, it's on planet, you are faster with the drones. When you build out a scaffolder, you need days to build up, not hours, days. And with the drone for the inspections, you need only hours. That's a different from hours to days. Our objective today was to fly in the main rooms in the reactor area, and the mission was how far we can fly. And we are successful. We fly in every places we would like it. With the Elios 2, our main area was the turbine hall, and now with the Elios 3 rad, we will go in the nuclear power plant area. We use it for inspections, special and chimney, 150 meter inside inspection. We use it for turbine inspections, and we use it also mostly for inspections. In case we have an incident, then we use it to protect the workers.